Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abiyyu.N.F and I'm from class 7B of English Educational Department of Untirta. Today I want to present about my research and the title is The Effectiveness of Think Pair Shares Technique in Improving Student Speaking Ability on SMAN 1 Ciruas. Chapter 1 is about introduction. There is 4 points. For the first one is my research background. Many students who learn English think that there are some problems faced when they give it to try to speak in English. Most of the students were unconfident when they want to speak English and they find difficulty to express their ideas. Then mostly their pronunciation and grammar are weak. Besides, the teachers state that they have no ideas to express their feelings. Hence, the students often look bored when the teacher explains the lesson in the classroom. My research question is there any significant effect of using think per share strategy on students' speaking skill of 11th grade students at SMAN 1 Ciruas. The third point is my research objectives is the study is carried out to improve the student speaking ability by using think pair share technique for the 11th grade students of SMAN 1 Ciruas. My research significance are for the students, it is expected that using TPS technique in learning can help them to improve their speaking ability. For the teachers, it can help the teachers to use and apply for use and interesting techniques during teaching and learning process. For other researchers, it is expected the result of this study can be reference for other researchers who want to conduct research with the same problem. Chapter 2 is about literature review that related study about my material. The first one is the definition of speaking. Brown argued that speaking is an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing and receiving and processing information. The second paragraph is about teaching strategy. According to Maji 2013, teaching strategy is a comprehensive approach inside of a teaching system that contains the general guidance and the course activity plan in order to reach the instructional goals which is explained in the Angel of Philosophy view or certain learning theory. Teaching strategy is one of important components in teaching learning process. The third paragraph is about think per share. Think per share is a strategy of cooperative learning. Its Johnny 2012 states that Think per share is developed by Frank Lehman in 1985. Think per share is an effective way to change learning circumstance in the classroom. It gives more time to the students to think, to respond, and to help each other, but it's not a way for cheating. Okay, that's for my literature review. The last chapter is chapter 3. Is it about my research methodology? These slides contain 4 parts of my research methodology. The first one is my research design. I using quantitative research by quasi-experimental, and the subject of my research is 11th grade students of SMAN 1 Ciruas, and my data collecting technique is using oral pretest and post-test. And last one is my data analysis. I'm using normality test and homogeneity test and t-test. Okay, that's all for my research paper about the effectiveness of using think per share strategy for improving speaking ability on SMN 1 Ciruas. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.